Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Hopefully you already hit that sub button. I would love for you to join my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my low frontal ponytail using hair that I got from Amazon Marketplace. So to begin, I started to apply my frontal by using my favorite product now, which is Bedhead. I've only been using this product and it works really well. It just gets your hair so laid and you don't need to blow dry it, so I highly recommend. To assist me with laying down the frontal, I took the loose ends of the frontal and put it in a ponytail in the back just to keep the frontal in place. This method made applying the frontal so easy. I highly recommend that you guys try this if you are doing a frontal ponytail, to put your hair in a ponytail in the back. So as you can see, this Bedhead product is my holy grail because it literally it dries really fast, and all you have to do is wrap it for about 15-20 minutes and your frontal is laid. So as you can see, yes, laid, honey, like I told you. So to get my frontal super flat, I use spritz, my wax stick, and a hot comb. As you can see, my frontal got super flat using these products together, and it made it very easy for me to manipulate and style my hair. Now you don't want to use too much spritz because you can turn your hair white by touching and also applying the spritz, so you want to be very careful during this process. So as you can see here, I was combing my hair all the way back, and I did want to do a slick back ponytail with just baby hairs to the front, but then I realized that the style would look kind of dull, so I decided to put a part in the middle to give it some definition. So that's what I ended up doing, and you will see it wasn't that hard to part my hair after I already applied the spritz. That's because I applied just enough and not too much, so you want to be careful.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah, now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow.
This is the same frontal that I used in my previous video from Amazon from a vendor called B-Zone. This is a HD Swiss lace frontal. I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck this unit, and it came out really well. I don't think these frontals you have to pluck them as much, and so I believe that they're very beginner friendly. You can pluck if you want to add more depth to your frontal, but you don't have to pluck. So that's what I like about this frontal, and it's very versatile.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye.
I hope you guys are digging what I decided to do with my baby hairs. I did something a little different this time just to give the style a little more definition. As you can see here, I put my baby hairs and I swooped it up instead of back, and I thought this style was so cute. I'm going to be trying this out a lot more, and I'm going to be playing with the baby hairs just to get some different looks and some more definition to my hairstyle. So enjoy.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know
Right, so we're pretty much at the ending where I'm just putting the touch-ups of my makeup just to make the lace pop a little bit more. Okay, so here she is. This is the 30-inch ponytail that I got from Amazon. This is from Fashion Icon Hair. It is their silky straight synthetic ponytail. Yes, synthetic. I thought it was so cute. I thought it would be a cute look to do a downward ponytail. Even a high ponytail would look cute. But here is me showing you how it looks all the way around. This is the back of it. I did wrap the hair around just to hide the part where it becomes a ponytail, and so I took a generous amount. The hair is pretty thick. It also feels very silky straight. It's easy to manipulate and it doesn't tangle as much as long as you're not manipulating and putting your hands all through the hair, because again, this is synthetic hair. What else can I say about this hair? It's really pretty, it's shiny, it doesn't have a smell to it, and I think it's very realistic looking, and it almost looks like human hair. I would highly recommend purchasing this hair if you're looking for something that's cheap but also very realistic looking. So here is the final look. I'm showing you guys on the right how it looked all dressed up and dolled up. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you next video. Bye.